It's Punxsutawney Phil. I just blacked out at the antique mall and bought a literal Tupperware bin full of Beanie Babies for $50. Without really looking through it, just lost my mind and bought the tub, essentially sight unseen. So let's unbox it together. Let's see. Starting off so strong. Elephant, little maple in the original box. Oh, it's a McDonald's. That's so crazy. Little basset hound, cat, and another cat. Oh my gosh. Twins. It's a little rainbow bear. Oh wow. It's a dove. Oh, giraffe. That's 10. Oh my God. Some of these I'm like, I don't know if twigs. I'm like, I don't know if I can tear these guys apart. Oh my God, the kangaroo. The little baby head is like, oh my God, that's hilarious. Gotta put him back in there. Aw, horse. I've actually got the mini of this dog. I already have a monkey actually. Oh, cool. This one could be really cool. The Princess Diana bear. 17. Oh my God, this one, the September birthday. 19, and then 20. Another Smoochie the frog. Know exactly what's gonna happen with him. Oh, the chameleon is so cool. Oh, another giraffe. Oh, interesting, a different style elephant than that was Trumpet, and this is Peanut. And there's a baby Peanut. Another cat. Oh my God, the poodle is really cool. The crab. Claude. Aw, 29. The Quackers is 29. Another cat, 30. That's 30. Cat. Oh, a Dalmatian. I've got him already. 32, or no wait. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. It's the moose. An otter. Oh wait, beaver? It's Punxsutawney Phil. I kid you not. The name on the tag. The name on the tag is Punxsutawney Phil. Oh my God, that's crazy. 38, 39. This one's a MasterCard. Beanie Baby. 40. Another birthday bear. 42, 43. Another Princess Diana. Ears. 46, 47. Oh. This one is Iggy. This one is cool. I've lost count again. 9. Oh, this one's cool. 10. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 50. So everything after this makes these Beanie Babies less than $1 a piece. This is the cuckoo. Aw, another little dog. This one's kind of weird. It's already got a hat. This is Jingle Pup. Okay. Another dog. 5. Oh my God, all the dogs. 6. This one's really cute with his little face. 7. A little, hold on, 8. Oh, the koala, yes. 9, 10. Okay, so that's 60. This little Halloween cat is so cute. Scaredy cat. The koala I'm pumped about. Oh, I have all 4. Cool. So here's 3, 4. Aw, Christmas. The husky. Cat. 7. Oh, a fox. Wow, the tail is cool. Number 9, this is Cracker Barrel. That's hilarious. And then another cat, 10. So that's 70. That is 70 Beanie Babies. Jesus Christ. What is wrong with me? Why did I buy this? Pinky. Oh, it's like all the birds now. Interesting. 3, Waddle. 4, Lucy. Like Loosey Goosey. That is, whoever was in charge of the names, brilliant. Excellent job. 5, Little Cat. 7, 8, think all. 9, 2 Pugs. 10, a little Dachshund. This one looks interesting. 1, 2. Aww. I had the Blue Jay. This is weird. I remember this now. Rocket. Okay. 4, 5, another Peanut. 7, 8. This one's so cute. 9, the Attic Treasure Collections. 10. That is 90. I don't think we're gonna get to 100. 91, 92. This is Spunky the Cocker Spaniel. And this is Nuts the Squirrel. And this is crazy. This one is actually very cool. I cannot believe, I didn't even remember that they had an eel. This is Maury, the moray eel. 94 Beanie Babies. That is nuts. And I can't believe I did that. But yeah, thank you for unboxing, untubbing my tub of Beanie Babies with me.